If you struggle with waking up in the morning, this thing might be just for you. So this is the eCozy Wake Up Smart Light. So it simulates the sunrise, and honestly, I'm really excited to use this because I really struggle with waking up, especially with just my phone alarm. So let's see how it works. So here I have set the alarm for to go off in 10 minutes. So as each minute goes up, the light simulates the sunrise. So honestly, I'm really excited about it. You guys can grab yours in the TikTok shop. I don't know how many are left, so I would get it before they run out.